Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so right here we have a side-by-side size comparison between the Galaxy S10 Plus on the right and the Galaxy Note 9 on the left. Honestly, this is really kind of showing just how much more screen utilization is going on between those two. Really awesome when it comes to just how much more efficient and how much more smaller in the hand the S10 Plus is when compared to the Note 9. You can really see the difference just because side by side, shorter in comparison because of course we took that bezel off even more. And all in all, I really like it because the chin is smaller as well. Definitely getting a better overall look and feel with the S10 Plus. All in all, it really has been a different look to it. As we go more and more into it, I just am finding that I do like the utilization of the screen better off on the S10 Plus. I just like it. It's just smaller, more compact with a bigger screen. So I think it's definitely going to make a difference. And on the back, one thing that I have noticed on these comparisons between these two is, besides all the fingerprints, the Note 9 logo is not here on the S10 Plus. The S10 Plus does not have the logo. As you can see, they will get fingerprints on them, but if you go ahead and just clean those off, you can kind of see just how sexy it really can look. So all in all, I really definitely like just how the design is better and it's smaller in comparison too. I'm really liking this style. I have to say, it definitely makes me want to switch from my Note 9 to the S10 Plus even more. And I have to hand it to it, that wide angle camera is something I'm super excited about. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Which one are you gonna buy? Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.